We all dream of a perfect start to a day. Trees rustling, people bustling, and birds chirping. But instead, we rise up to a stinking order of the garbage. For all the campaigns about a clean and green earth, we still face a major problem. So, as engineers, how do we solve it? We will now provide a detailed description of our project. Garbage emits specific odor gases which are detected with the help of gas sensors. These sensors are integrated into a wireless network architecture. The central hub of this network acts as a HMI, through which the garbage level and order can be controlled. This reduces human intervention. The main components are servo motor, rain detection sensor, odor sensor array, ultrasonic sensor, CC2510 transceiver, and odor control module. Now, let us view the individual components of a project. The first module is a smart, automatic and closed bin. In the presence of a human being, sensor arrays attached to the bin provide the opening and enclosure of the bin. The bin automatically opens and closes when the garbage is being dumped. Now, let us view about the animal intrusion alarm. This is the hardware circuit for the animal intrusion alarm. It consists of a speaker and a piezoelectric sensor which is used to detect the vibration in the animals through sensing the blood flow. The few individual components are calibration sensor, volume control potentiometer, and 555 timer. Now let us see a working demo of the animal intrusion alarm. Now let us see about the human-machine interface. It has a suitable software which is the LabVIEW to develop the HMI. It also has a graphical user interface platform to provide supervisory control over the process operation. The data acquired from the smart bin is monitored live through the HMI. You can see the variation of gas level according to the content in the garbage. The three main gases are methane, carbon monoxide and sulfur dioxide. Now let us view a complete demo of our project. Here we have garbage sample which consists of decaying organic waste. The various gases being omitted from the garbage are detected and monitored. This is a smart bin. In presence of a human being, the sensor arrays attached to the bin providing the opening and enclosure. The bin automatically opens and closes when the garbage is being dumped. So, with the help of human intervention, the bin automatically opens and closes. The gas sensor used is LMP91000 evaluation module provided by Texas Instruments. The gas sensor module is interfaced to a Tivia C series microcontroller. IR sensors are also attached to a central controller. The Tivia C series consists of an Ethernet switch through which the acquired data is stored in the Internet database. This stored data can be lively monitored through the LabVIEW HMI. Similarly, several smart bins are connected to form a network. The various gases being monitored from the garbage are methane, carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide. Here we have a detailed view on the various gases that are being monitored and detected. The HMI also consists of a station ID used to identify the smart bin node in the network. This is a contribution to the society as engineers.